Unicorns are the worst by Willan. I simply don't understand why anyone would like unicorns. I mean, seriously, is there anything worse? For hundreds of years, I have gone about completing my important goblin business in peace, from documenting spells to gathering ingredients for spells, to alphabetizing the ingredients I've gathered for spells. No distractions, no interruptions, just me and my work. But guess who decided to move into the meadow next door? Unicorns! Now I know what you are going to say. Unicorns are the best. Unicorns are magical. Blah, blah, blah. That's true. But a whole lot of things are magical, like elves and fairies. What's the other one? Elves, fairies, and... oh, right. Goblins! I have studied the forgotten magic that lies deep within the earth. I know spells that can transform socks into slugs. I can turn broccoli into ice cream. Still tastes like broccoli. And I have mastered the 30-strand braid. But despite all of this, does anyone ever ask to have a goblin-themed birthday party? Look at all this birthday stuff. Not a goblin in sight. Meanwhile, all unicorns do is frolic around all day on their dainty unicorn hoofs. Frolicking isn't even hard. Goblins can frolic. We just choose not to. I don't get it. They are just horses with pointy heads. I have pointy ears, but you don't hear me carrying on about it. And the glitter. So much glitter. Do you realize how hard it is to get glitter out of a smock? They are constantly playing their instruments. Newsflash, unicorns, not everyone likes harp music. And the tea parties. So many tea parties. It's not like they ever asked me to one of their tea parties. Not that I would have time for tea parties when there's all this important work to be done. It's not like this shrub is going to document itself. Do I enjoy a good cup of tea? Perhaps an occasional crumpet? We'll never know, because someone around here has to take their work seriously. You know what? I wouldn't go to one of their silly tea parties even if they did ask me. You know why? Because unicorns are the worst. I would rather be neighbors with gnomes, or this dragon, or a chicken, or a... wait a minute. Dragon! Run for your lives! Save yourselves, my little sock slugs! Gulp. Well, I guess unicorns do have some good traits. For instance, did you know that glitter can put out dragon fire? And that harp music can be quite disorienting. Those dainty hooves pack quite a wallop, and it turns out a unicorn's horn is more than just pointy. All right, fine. As far as neighbors go, unicorns aren't that bad. But I think that we can all agree dragons are the worst. Now that concludes our story, Unicorns Are the Worst, by Willan. I have 2 questions for you that I would be curious to find out. Do you think there will be another book? What could its title be?